Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to leave a chat in Viber on PC. If you no longer want to be a part of Viber group, you have the option to leave and remove it from your chat list. Once you've left the group, it doesn't impact the group in any way and will still be available to the rest of the group members. If at some point you change your mind and wish to return to the group, an admin will need to re-add you. After rejoining, you will not be privy to any messages sent prior to you joining, including those sent when you were part of the group. Open Viber desktop app. Go to the left side panel. Hover over the chat that you want to leave. You will see a tiny panel appear. Click on the trash icon to delete and leave the chat. You can also do it another way. Click on the chat to open it. Go to the right side of the window. Click on Delete Conversation on the settings panel. Click on Delete in the pop-up window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!